Hey everyone, how y'all doing? So welcome to day number 9 of my Vlogmas series where I'm trying to do a video every day for the month of December, or at least until Christmas. And today I got a couple Barrysail knives to check out. Now, a little while back they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to check out a couple of their knives and do a video on it, and I said sure. But I let them know that, I do honest reviews and I give the good and the bad. So with that said, I got these yesterday, so figured we'd take a look at them. And this is just the first impressions unboxing type of video. It's not a review. And got two here. The larger box is the Barrysail folding pocket knife. 3.3 inch D2 steel blade, G10 handle, made in China. And this little box is the Barrysail mini keychain knife. We'll take a look at that second. Let's check this one out. This is one I'm more interested in. I did cut the tape and kind of looked at it just like this. I haven't taken it out or anything, so obviously it just comes in a plain brown cardboard box with a Amazon sticker. If I didn't mention, these are found on Amazon, and I will have a link and a promotional code in the description. And I think the promotional code runs out tomorrow, so if you're interested in these, you can get 30% off today, and so you'd have to jump on it. But yeah, let's open it up. Right on top you got a little paper. Actually it's a little sticker, so you can take that off, stick it someplace where you know where it is. Email support@barrysail.com. Unhappy order, email me. I will make you happy. Website is also www.barrysail.com. I have not checked out the website. Open a site and find more good products. So that's cool. That's nice, easy to contact. And I've been communicating with them since over this, and very responsive. Pleasure to email back and forth. But yeah, you got the knife right here. It's plastic. Let's move the box out of the way. Now, one thing is, when I saw pictures of this and I looked it up on Amazon, I'm like, boy, this knife reminds me of something. We'll get into that, but take it out of the plastic, and it has got a lot of oil on it, which is a good thing. Just have to wipe it off. Now this is D2 steel, so that was good. They oiled everything up. Just wipe it down. I'll wipe the blade off and I open it. Yeah, check it out. You can see nice black stone wash finish on the blade. G10 handles with some milling in it. Give you a little extra grip. There's a flipper tab, open construction, couple standoffs. Looks like there is some milling on this side. I can see a hole. I don't know if this show up on here or not. So, little weight reduction added. Deep carry loop over pocket clip. It is tip down carry. Right hand tip down carry only. It's not reversible or changeable. Kind of a long clip. Got a couple of speed holes in it. Good tension on the clip. I have not even had, I haven't had this in my pocket or anything. It's tip down carry, not my preferred method. I only have a couple of knives set up like this, but it looks like there's plenty of room. It does have button head screws, but it looks like there's plenty of room for your hem of your pocket to fit in there. And yeah, let's check it out. Kind of large flipper tab. There's no jimping on it. Right away I can see there's a little tiny bit of detent lash, but there's no way to, you're not going to shake it open. It's not going to come open. So let's check the action out. Oh, that rocketed right out there. Let's see if I can fail it. Yeah, I mean, you have to try to fail it. You give half the effort, you put in half the effort to open it, this thing actually flies open. Check that blade out. And it was the blade that kind of got me. I'm like, man, that looks so familiar. Like, but we'll get into that. D2 steel. I do like that stone wash finish. I think that looks great on it. There's no branding on the blade. In fact, there's really no branding or anything anywhere on the knife. Doesn't say D2 anywhere. I don't see it. Yep, I don't see any markings at all. So completely sterile knife. Liner lock, it's locking up good. No lock rock. No side to side. Fairly thin lock bar. Got easy access to it. A little stiff. Get over that detent ball. Let's see. Got a late detent ball there, so yeah, action's not bad. Centering is dead center. The only thing I see is that little tiny bit of detent lash. It's not hitting the standoffs or anything. I got more expensive knives that have that much detent lash. Got a huge forward finger choil. You can choke up on this. Ergos with that tip down pocket clip. I really don't feel it in the hammer grip. Choking up. Not terrible. It's not the worst tip down carry knife I've ever had. I could deal with that. Oh, that's a huge finger choil. Has some jimping up here. That's fairly aggressive. It's a short patch of it, but it works. Definitely grabs hold of your thumb. Wedge on top. The edge looks pretty nice. See if it cuts paper. Wow. That is literally gliding right through that. Very nice. Yeah, edges even almost all the way up. Both sides pretty much look the same. I like the grooves in the handle. The only beef I have is the pocket clip placement, but yet it's definitely not too bad. A little loose maybe? No. It's just so long it kind of moves down here a little bit. Yeah. Not too bad. Do some size comparisons. Let's get out my Benchmade 940. Pretty much the same length. Yeah, obviously you got more cutting edge on the 940. How about the bug out? A little bigger than the bug out. Spring out. I don't have that many handy. Spyderco Native 5 lightweight. Definitely longer than the Native 5. Actually, the finger choil is even larger. So, bring out two more, and this is what I wanted to compare them to, because they're very, very similar to the Civivi Praxis, as you can see. Bring out the mini Praxis. Now, I love the Praxis, the blades on the Praxis, the super slicey, full flat grinds. Am I correct? Yep. Been a while since I carried the big one. Now, looking at the blade design, they're almost identical. Handle, very similar, but obviously a little different. The front here is different. There's one less cutout. Actually, the finger cutout here is deeper. Back's shaped a little different. There's no lanyard hole in the Barrysail, but very, very similar blades. And, you know, the action on this one is, man, I think it drop shuts easier. That takes more shakes. Opening. The Praxis might be just a little bit snappier. And I can do the same thing. I can fail that. Yeah, that just makes a louder click. So, action's very similar. Actually, this thing is almost drop shutting. Compare the flipper tabs. Yeah, the flipper tab on the Barrysail is larger. Praxis does have a little bit of jimping. It doesn't do too much. But overall, they're very similar. They definitely took cues from a former bestseller from Civivi. The mini. I'd say the action of the Barrysail compares to the action of the mini, especially closing. But yeah, not too bad now. When I looked them up, this is going for about $15. I don't know what the regular price is. It is on sale. And like I said, I'll put a promotional code for 30% off in the description. Link to it. It runs out soon, so you'd have to jump on it. But for a budget knife, 15 I don't know, 30 bucks. This is not a bad option. Like I said, centering is dead center. A little bit of detent lash and tip down carry pocket clip, which I'm surprised does not feel too bad in my hands. Now, I haven't carried it yet. See how it goes in and out of pocket or anything. Yeah, not too bad. I'll probably carry this along with my new Kaiser deckhand fixed blade. See how this thing works out. Now this little one, the mini keychain knife, let's check this out. Open this up, if I can get it. Here we go. Same deal. There's no paperwork in this though. So stainless steel keychain knife. Plastic sticking to me. Has a little bail on it with a split ring, so it's ready to put on your keys. I'll weigh these. I don't know how much these weigh offhand. In fact, I'll have to go back. I'll give you some measurements. I didn't even do that. But this little guy got some speed holes, slots in the side, thumb stud, centering's off a little bit. This is a liner lock also. One thumb stud. Yeah, you can open it one-handed. Liner lock. Lockup is good. No play. Any direction. Definitely a little two-fingered knife. Not too bad. Cool little blade shape. Check out the edge on this. Not terrible. The edge grind on this is a little bit wonky. There we go. Yeah, fairly decent edge. So yeah, let's get some measurements, because I didn't give no dimensions or write any down, except for the box says 3.3 inch blade. So overall of the large one, it's about 7 3/4 inches. The blade about 3.3, cutting edge a little less than 3. Handle from this point to the end about 4.5, with a grip area of, I'd say 3 1/8 from here to that point. Of course, you could wrap around. Handle thickness in inches. Get off that clip. 0.59, so a little thicker than average with the clip. About almost 3/4 of an inch thick. 0.74. Blade stock is pretty thin. 0.11. And like I said, I'll weigh it and I'll put the weight up here. And it's not overly heavy. It's got some decent weight to it. It feels good in hand. So yeah, this one, check it out. So overall length of the knife, about 3 7/8. Got about 1.5 inch blade with about 1 3/16 cutting edge. Handle is only about 2.5 inches long. And grip area, a little over 2. You can choke up on a ricasso here a little bit. Nice little keychain knife. Now, let's close it up. Try to measure how long it would hang. Oh, just a little over, about 3 inches. Not too bad. Not much larger than a key or a key fob. And I'll weigh this also, put the weight right up here. That's got a little bit of weight to it. It's all stainless steel. So one hand open. Locks up good. I opened it slow and still locked up. Doesn't drop shut, but yeah, the centering's off a little bit on this little guy. But that's pretty cool to put on a keychain or hook to a backpack, a zipper or something. That'll definitely open a few Amazon boxes for sure. But yeah, I guess that'll do it. I'm probably going to carry this, check this thing out more, and do a follow-up on this one. It seems pretty nice for the money. I mean, holy cow, look at that. Yeah, great opening action. Just a little bit of detent lash. Link to these, and pretty nice budget EDC knife. And yeah, do the usual like, comment, subscribe, and until next video, bye.